we have a brand new piece. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Southdown Garage. My name is Kurt, and what are we doing today? We're dealing with this. That's right, because the inevitable happens when you're super light and you glide over the seat, you're never ever gonna break it. But when you've got a little bit of like I do, I'm not saying that anybody's physique is
damn girl, you get thicker.
I'm gonna get absolutely crucified in the comments for this, but that's okay. We need to replace this. We've got about like 30,000 miles on our Explorer, unfortunately. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna grab, I'm hoping a Phillips screwdriver, because I don't know yet. And there's one screw in the very back that we're gonna take off, and then we can get this whole piece off. There's gonna be some more screws in behind. Not a big deal, let's get to it. In behind here is where your Torx bit will be, right there. So we're gonna take this off, and then this whole piece can come off. With your T15 Torx bit, we're just gonna back out the screw. Yeah, there we go. And then this panel is off. Voila. Now let's move to the front and take the screws that hold the buttons in off. Did we have that off? Oh, this is broken too. Everything is broken, hey? See? Poor buttons. This is broken. These are broken. I mean, you could technically, oh, that's broken. Oh my goodness. Everything is broken. Ford, could you not just have done this in some sort of a bolt on the front? I mean, these tabs are kind of not ideal. That's why my local Ford dealership had this part in stock. You're welcome, they said. Again, this is a T15 Torx, and we're gonna go ahead and take out these 4 screws. Now that we have this off, grab yourself a flathead screwdriver and work its way under here and just pop this up like that. Simple, easy. Don't worry, it doesn't freak you out at all. Actually, if it does, you're human. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you. There's something wrong with you, or you're just overly confident. Now with this off, we can just quickly swap this over. I'm going to put it in place, and then, oh man, it is a tight fit there. Holy smokes, that is that's nerve-wracking. Of course, anytime you're doing something for the first time, it can be. Unless of course you're a super everything, then I can't relate with you. I would recommend putting these screws in first before putting the buttons on. Why, you ask? I don't know. I'm just making suggestions. Don't yell at me. I'm sensitive. So just in case you're wondering, this is how they go in. Pop that in place. And how we're gonna install this is we're gonna put everything from basically the front back. So because this clips into here, we're just gonna go ahead, obviously plug this back in, and we're going to slide everything into place. So you have clip down here, one over here. This one is going to go into this slot, and that other clip here is going to go right into here, and then these 2 clips are going to go right in the front there. There we go. That's in place. A little finagling. Now we're going to go around to the back, and we're going to snap it into place, and we're going to put that screw in. Done. Now that we've made sure that everything is working, we are done. And that's how you replace the trim on your seat on your Ford Explorer. I hope you guys are having a great day. you know what? You should go for a drive right now and give yourself a treat. Whatever that treat is, alcoholic, non-alcoholic. I'm not even gonna go into the different kinds of treats. There's so many. Ooh, Black Friday. Any kind of deal. You earned it. You're welcome. Bye for now.